Four of the six most populated European countries suspending use of the AstraZeneca vaccine. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm Brian Collery.
And I'm Alice Kane. The decision comes after concerns over possible side effects, but the AstraZeneca trial is still happening at UVM Medical Center.
NBC5's Zuri Hoffman is live in Burlington with more on how this could impact their research. Zuri.
Well, despite reports of blood clots as a possible side effect, AstraZeneca insists its vaccine is safe. UVM Medical Center says this will not impact the vaccine trial happening there.
We have not seen anything like this at all in the Vermont population. And again, if this had shown up, it would have shown up a long time ago.
Dr. Beth Kirkpatrick with UVM Medical Center isn't sounding the alarm over reports the AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine caused blood clots in some recipients overseas. As of Monday, there have been 37 reports out of more than 17 million people vaccinated in the European Union and Britain. Countries including Spain, Germany, France, and Italy have temporarily suspended its use of the AstraZeneca vaccine because of these reports, taking the time to investigate. AstraZeneca releasing a statement on Sunday insisting its vaccine is safe and there is no evidence the shot is to blame. Canada's Prime Minister says they'll continue using it.
Health Canada and our experts and scientists have spent an awful lot of time making sure that every vaccine approved in Canada is both safe and effective.
We saw nothing resembling this in any of our volunteers. And frankly, the whole US trial, which is about 32,000 people, hasn't seen any read on this, the best I'm aware either.
Dr. Kirkpatrick leads the AstraZeneca vaccine trial at UVM that's been ongoing since November. So far, no major issues.
Anything I can do to help promote our people getting vaccinated is really important.
Chief of the Vermont Abenaki tribe, Don Stevens, gladly signed up for the trial several months ago to help encourage people of color to get vaccinated. He was recently unblinded, finding out he received the AstraZeneca vaccine, not a placebo. So far, no major side effects for him.
My experience has been fine. I mean, I've had, obviously the sore arm and that type of thing that all the participants have had, that's been pretty widely reported.
Out of nearly 300 people enrolled in UVM's AstraZeneca trial, several of them have been unblinded, now that the Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are available.
Because we enrolled a lot of folks over the age of 65 in Vermont, the majority of our folks now in the Vermont trial have been unblinded, about almost 75%.
Dr. Kirkpatrick says they'll continue to watch participants for the next 2 years. As for safety concerns, she says we'll have to wait and see.
I think we just have to wait and let the data show itself, but I don't know that this right now is going to be a showstopper yet.
And AstraZeneca is expected to apply any day now for emergency use authorization in the U.S. The Vermont Department of Health says it's looking forward to the Biden administration providing as much approved vaccine as possible for Vermonters. Live in Burlington, I'm Zuri Hoffman, NBC5 News.